grade 5. Students, we have to do whole number division operation exercise C, real life problems in your last lecture. That's we have to depend on your multiplication. Subtopic is multiplicand, multiplier and its product. What is the multiplication? Which that method is used to find out the total numbers of things, total numbers of money. So what is multiplicand? Multiplicand is a number that we use to multiply, and the number that's used to multiply is to the multiplicand is called a multiplier. Number is used to multiply is called a multiplicand, and the number that's used to multiply the multiplicand is known as a multiplier, or the result of the multiplication is known as a product. Also we do have a division in your exercise 1c. Division that's be a number to be divided in the each person, numbers of person to be divided and find out the one person thing, 1% the amount, or let's be a products etc. So students, division is to be a fourth subtopics. One is a dividend, that's a number is used to divide, is called a dividend. Dividend that's be divided by that number is known as a divisor. The result of the division is known as a quotient, and the result of lefting amount is known as a remainder. So now we have to start our today lecture exercise 1D. So all the students open your book page number 21 and also open your notebook. Open your book page number 20 and take your pencils. So let's start our today lecture that's depend on number pattern. Firstly, my students, when you have write a number by skipping, firstly you have to find out its rule. It's an increasing order, it's a decreasing order, and which number is to be added or skipped to write the next term. So when you have discussed the number pattern, firstly you look out that the question is in a descending order or ascending order. If the number is a ascending order, it means that the number is increased. And that's the other hand, when your number is a descending order, it means that that's a number is decreased. So follow this pattern rule. We have been, let's start our today lecture. Question number 1, identify the pattern rule and the complete the missing number. Okay, students, they say that firstly you have find the pattern rule, which pattern is used and which number is to be skipped to write the next number. Firstly, we look out your question is the increasing order, decreasing order, this means that ascending order or descending order. When you have look out your first question, the number is 94, next number is 85. So that in these two number that we identify this is the ascending order, this is the descending order. When we have look out this more number, the first number is 94, it means greatest number is 94 and less number is 85, that's become after to the 94. It means that the pattern is used is decreasing order. Let's think you have the number is to be subtract from it and then write the next term. So it means that by decreasing value. First thing in this question, this number is used decreasing order. It means that descending order, greatest to smaller. Which number to have we find 94 to 85? So that's when you have find the rule of this number to complete the missing number. You have only take any two values and subtract that to find out the number that we used to skip or missing pattern. So when you have firstly you have to take any one number, any two number to have this subtract. We have to take first two number 94 and 85. When you have 94 and 85, it's to subtract the number is come 9. It means that number 9 is to be a decreasing by every number. 94 decreasing 9, it's come 85. And the number is 9 decreasing 85, the number is 76. After you have decreased 9, the number is 67. It means that you have to subtract minus from every number. So the answer is the next term. When you have subtract the number by 7, the next term, the missing number is come. When you have 76 subtract 9, you have the number is 67. When you have subtract 9 again, the number is 58. When you have subtract 58 from 9, the number is 49. After subtracting 9, the number is 40. And when last you have subtract the number 9 from the missing number is 31. So firstly you have look out your decreasing order, increasing order. It's mean that ascending order, descending order. If a decreasing order, it's mean that in the orders we follow a descending order. If the number is increasing, it's mean that ascending order. Descending, greatest to smallest, and ascending, smallest to greatest. So look out your second question, 38, 45. 38 is smaller than 45. It's mean that it's a ascending order. Smallest to greatest number. Smallest to greatest number. So it's the increasing order. Then we have find out its pattern, which pattern is used to find out the next number. Take any two number, any of this. One is the greatest number and the second is the smallest number. That's the must to be a each take each other. Like that you have also be take 30 and 45. You also be take 59 and 63. It's depend on yourself. When you have remember that when you have subtract the value to find out the pattern group, you have the greatest values minus small value. Great value minus small value. When you have 66 minus 59, the pattern rule of increasing is 7. It means that when you have added 7 from one number, that's the next term is to come. For example, 38 plus 7, the next term is 45. When you have add 7 in a 38, the next answer of this solution is a 45, and also we say as the next term of this number. Then you have 45 plus 7, the number is 52. After 52 you have plus 7, the number is 59. 59 plus 7, 66. 66 plus 7, 73. And after last, when you have plus 7, the number is 80. Look out to question number C. They say that find out its rule. Student, look that number is 18. It's a filling in the blank, and the next number is 36. So students, 18 and 36, when you have compared the both value, it's mean that it's a ascending order and increasing order. It's mean that smallest to greatest number. You have the take two number that we are comes with each other, beside to each other, 54 and 63. That's the number or two number that we come comes to each other. So when you have take 63 minus 54 to find out the pattern. बड़ी value पहले and छोटी value बाद में. 63 minus 54. The pattern rule is 9. It means that when you have add this 9 in each number, the next term is come. Next term is come. How next term is come? 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. 27 plus 9 is equal to 36. After to have plus 36, 9, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. 54 plus 9, 63. 63 plus 9, 72. 72 plus 9, 81. And last number is to be plus 9. The number is 90. So students, we remember that when the increasing order, it's mean that ascending number, and you have add this term. And when you have a decreasing order, it's mean that you have subtract the term to find out the next term. So all the students do your classwork, complete your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.